Now viewers, BJP's parliamentary workshop is still underway in the national capital, and let's cut across to these live visuals that we're getting in. So these are visuals from the national capital. At this point, the BJP's parliamentary workshop is underway. They have a key focus on shaping the theme Develop the India by 2047. So that's the focus of this meet, Viksit Bharat by 2047. And what they're also going to discuss is the strategies on how they can enhance their social media game. And what of course is going to be the focus is the felicitation of the Prime Minister for GST reforms. Now remember, this day-long event will bring together all BJP parliamentarians. In fact, they have already gathered in New Delhi. The session is going to outline government's vision when it comes to development of India. They're going to cover several themes including self-reliance, Swadeshi, ease of doing business, as well as youth employment. While they will also highlight Prime Minister Modi's GST reforms. Remember, just a few days ago, GST 2.0 was announced with several tax cuts. Now we only have 2 tax slabs. So that's something that's going to be the highlight of this meet. In fact, there are going to be multiple sessions that they're going to take place today. Another session will also guide MPs on how effectively they can use social media for political outreach and communication. And post-lunch, MPs will split into several committees to discuss other topics such as agriculture, defense, education, and more, in fact, along with the regional group discussions on schemes such as PM Kisan and Swachh Bharat. So clearly, a crucial meet for BJP right now underway. The key focus is going to be the vision of the party, the vision of the government when it comes to development. They're going to discuss the strategies on how India can become Viksit by 2047. And another crucial focus will be Prime Minister Modi's GST reforms. They are going to felicitate the Prime Minister for the same. And several committees will also be formed to discuss other issues such as agriculture, defense, youth employment. And in fact, another interesting topic for the discussion would be on how BJP MPs, they can use social media effectively to communicate to their audience, to communicate to their voter base. So essentially discussing tools on how they can up their social media game at a time when, digital communication has become a crucial part of political outreach. So lots of important discussions on the table for BJP.